I think I'm gonna get this. It's only $9.99. That's what we like.
Hey little mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is eri.reneee. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, I'm so excited because basically this is gonna be a moving vlog. So y'all probably have already seen like me doing my empty apartment tour. So yeah, I'm kind of recording this a little early. So yeah girl, I'm officially moving in a couple of weeks. It's gonna be like less than 3 weeks, y'all. So I'm trying to like go apartment shopping a little early so that when I do move in, I'm gonna be having all my stuff already set in place. So all I gotta do is just, you know, put stuff up, and that's how we do it. I like to do stuff a little early, girl. So yeah, so I'm gonna be taking y'all along with me. I'm going to go to Big Lots today, because Big Lots, if you don't have a Big Lots in your city or state, Big Lots is where it be at, okay? Because they be having some really good stuff, and it's less expensive than like these other stores. What I'm really looking for today is some kitchenware. What else do I need? Kitchenware, some decorations if I can find some. And what else? Yeah, I need a rug. Okay, I need a rug. I already have my couch. Like when I move in, my couch is already gonna be there. Like my couch is gonna be delivered that day, and my bed. So the only thing that I need to order is my dresser. So I'm not gonna have a dresser yet, girl. But yeah, so I just need to find stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all once I get to the destinations, and let's see what we can find. Because I'm so excited, girl. I'm so excited. So yeah, if y'all want to be on this journey with me, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, because I'm probably gonna be doing like, for the next couple of videos, it's probably gonna be like vlogs of me like moving. So yeah girl, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get right into it.
Ay, look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trunk and he...
It's good to be home.
Oh, look at the
Plants, these are cute. This is 15. Oh.
22.
I like this one.
Let me try it. Oh, yeah, it's cute. The plants are cute.
Oh, look. Oh, you have a closet, though. You don't have to have a coat right there.
No, not necessarily. And I have, before you walk in, that door that's right there, you can put, that could be your closet. That's my color. Which one? These browns.
Yeah.
They got something on there.
Ew. $6.
That's not bad. But that doesn't match my thing.
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa. Break a nigga into pieces. Had to egg some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All them little ass clothes only fit fake booties. Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Hacking, stupid, what was happening? Bitch, what was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Hacking, stupid, what was happening? Bitch, what was happening? Beat me and record it, but your edge up all I'm showing. I keep my niggas private, so it's AP all I'm showing. Beefing with you bitches really getting kinda boring. If it ain't about the money, then you know I'm gonna ignore it. I'm the shit. Ooh. I need a mop to clean the floors. Too much drip. Too much drip. I keep a knot, I keep a walk, I keep a whip.
Okay, that is cute. Okay.
See you on the flip side. I don't like that. Ew, that looks weird.
Yeah, I don't like that. Ew.
I like it. Those are cute. $2.50.
Yeah, those are cute. Clear mugs. Oh my, look, this is what I got from Home Goods.
That's $10. We didn't pay that for that.
I don't think so.
I don't think we did.
I don't think so. think that's all that I need for bowls and stuff. I got a lot now. I got 24. It's 07. I don't see nothing with no 07.
Look up. Oh, I like that white. Oh, it is. It is white. That's the same thing. It looks like it's white and gray. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Put it in here and let's see if we can open it.
How much? $60?
Stainless steel handles, tempered glass lids, easy cleaning. Tough non-stick ceramic.
So it comes with.
You get a 12-inch fry pan, an 8-inch fry pan, a 9.5-inch saute pan, 4-quart Dutch oven with lid, 2-quart saucepan with lid, and 3 nylon tools, slotted turners.
Don't love these niggas, I dust off these niggas. Do it for fun, don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after the I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like we. Was it more than just some off lit? I said farewell, you took it well.
Yeah, I like this. Oh shoot. Should I get it $9.99? This is cute.
What's going on with it right there? Is that an air bubble? That's an air bubble.
So what that mean?
Nothing. This is when they make the glass at the half. I really like this.
I think I'm gonna get this. It's only $9.99. That's what we like.
Where can I put this in?
Should I get this?
I would. I've never. Give this to your dad.
We do whatever we want, love whatever we want, love however we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's
It's move-in day, period. I got all this stuff. This is not even the half of it.
Hey girl, so it's officially moving day. I look real crazy, y'all. But yeah, so I got so much stuff. Like what y'all saw is not even like the half of it. Like I went to plenty more stores. I'm gonna do like a couple more videos of me moving, of course. Like this is not it, girl. Like it's a whole process. So yeah, I'm gonna do some more videos. So this is not the only one. So make sure y'all subscribe so you won't miss out any of my uploads. So yeah, so I'm about to get ready to be out. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, and I'm gonna show you all, if you haven't already seen my empty apartment tour, make sure to check that out. And the next video is gonna be another moving vlog, and I'm about to get my couch and my bed. So yeah, if y'all want to see how it turned out, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch y'all in my next video.